Nice little ham for 2 people. What does that thing weigh?
10 pounds.
It's a 10-pound, 20-pound ham. Who the hell knows? Most of that's going to go in pea soup. How you doing? It's pea soup today for the Vineyard boys here. All we got is about 2 gallons of water. Going to heat up boiling. Going to cut some of this ham up because we're not putting all this ham in. There's a lot left on the bone, so we're going to have hot ham and tomato and different types of sandwiches with that. But I got 6 bags of peas already pre-soaking in the water just to soften them up and get them ready. It just slows down or makes the process go a little quicker if you pre-soak them. So I'm going to get busy and cutting some of this ham off for other dinners and whatnot and get this bone in there and we'll get that boiling. In the kettle we already have a little salt, pepper, pre-seasoned with a little garlic. I like to put a couple chicken bouillon cubes in there and we start boiling this ham bone for about 2 hours vigorously. Right, Rupert? Right, Mr. Rupert? It's going to be a big ham bone? You betcha. So there's the piece of size ham I decided to put in there so far, but got a lot more on the plate we'll probably throw in later, but when the wife's not looking. Okay, we're going to put the peas into the pea soup now after, oh man, 3 hours, almost 3.5 hours of boiling the living crap out of the ham bone. I forgot to tell you, you put them in this here and fill them with water, and they swell up so much they were spilling all over the place here. I had to put them in another bowl. It's like popcorn as they get bigger. So let's get this into the soup. So we're going to start with the small bowl here because it's probably going to spill all over there. This is heavy. How am I going to do this? And this is the big one. Let's see if we can dump this in without getting burnt. Yeah, I'm not so sure about this. Oh, but it's going. Haven't spilled any yet. This is 6 bags of peas. There we go. Six bags we're putting in this one. And it's almost 3/4 of a kettle full here now. Not too many people in my family like the pea soup. I do. I love it. I think 2 of my sons love it. But the girls and everybody else, no, they don't care for it. I don't know why. But we love it here at the Vineyard. I do. So yeah, we'll let that simmer. And we'll be out to stir it up. Got some nice big piece of the ham in there. Let's see if we get a look on it here. Got some nice big piece of the ham in there. I got the ham bone in there yet. You can still see that. That was one big ham bone. Big chunks of ham. We're going to leave this on simmer. And we'll come back out and give it a stir every 20 minutes or so. We'll watch that thicken up into a nice pea soup. And we got our Santa Claus here, salt shaker. How you doing? 2 pieces of rye bread. And here's the homemade pea soup. Oh, we love this stuff. Nice and hot. I took it right to the boil. Make 4 gallons. We love this. I love the soups here. Very, very tasty. Homemade pea soup. Very simple to do. Very simple. Throw some potatoes in there at the end. Like I say, I know I need more salt because I tasted it in the big batch, so We'll add a little bit there for the heart, you know. So we're going to get on with this. I love it.